Hello, children. I am Teacher Cell. Today is April 30, 2020, and it's Thursday. The weather outside is sunny day. Welcome to our science class. Today we are going to match farm animals into their shadows. We need a pre-cut farm animals pictures. And we also need a farm animals shadow board. Shadow matching activity will help your child to practice visual discrimination and vocabulary. Let us begin. Ask your child to name the animals to match to the shadows before we start. Okay, these are the animals: the pig, the rooster, the dog, the turkey, the goat, the cow, the horse, the sheep, and the chick. Then ask your child what are they going to match. Okay, they choose sheep, say sheep, then match. We're going to match sheep. There you go. Next, the cheek, match. Then choose again, goat. There you go. Next, cow. Let's match the cow. There you go. Okay. Next, turkey. Let's match the turkey. Good job. Next, pig. Let's match the pig. Next, horse. Let's match the horse. Next, duck. Let's match the duck. There you go. And the last is the rooster. Let's match the rooster. Again, let us name rooster, turkey, sheep, duck, pig, chick, goat, horse, and cow. And we're done. Thank you for learning with me. Have a great time, everyone.